I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Dumbbell step by step. Gather materials, set up a safe workspace, and decide your target weight per dumbbell first. Measure and cut iron pipe for handles, prepare a rigid mold, and mix cement to a thick but pourable consistency. Pour slowly around the pipe, tap to release air, let cure fully, and finish by testing balance and securing end caps gently. Start by calculating the cement volume needed based on your desired weight per side and mold size. Mix cement, sand, and gravel with water until you reach a thick, creamy consistency that still pours easily. Keep measurements consistent for both sides to maintain balance. Use a kitchen scale or marked container for accuracy. Work steadily, avoid adding too much water, and prepare to pour immediately after mixing to prevent premature setting. Quick recommendation: if your feet are as neglected as old gym equipment, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort and durability. They feel great during heavy lifts and everyday wear, making workouts more enjoyable and blisters less likely. If you like this tip and find the video useful, please subscribe and like so we can make more helpful DIY guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the handle securely and ensure the pipe is centered before pouring cement into the mold. Pour slowly and tap the mold to release trapped air bubbles so each weight sets dense and solid. Let the cement cure fully for strong, long-lasting dumbbells, then remove from the mold, sand rough spots, and inspect balance. Add end caps or paint for protection, and always test a lighter lift first to confirm safety and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.